Hey all. So today first we are going to go to Green Planet in Dubai. I'm currently living in Abu Dhabi. So we are going to go all the way to Dubai, Green Planet, and then we are going to explore some restaurants in Dubai. We are currently at McDonald's, which is on the way to Dubai. I think there's just one McDonald's that comes. And we are just stopped here for a while until we go back to our journey to go to Green Planet in Dubai. Let's go. We are headed back to the car before we go to the Green Planet.
Green Planet.
After missing 100 turns, we are gonna reach in like 5 minutes. I think we are gonna reach by now. We have finally parked, but it doesn't look like a parking. But I don't think there's any other option here. So that was the only option. So that's right, there is like a 30% Fazza discount here and we are just showing our Fazza before we get the discount.
So guys, हम यहाँ हैं counter में and we are waiting for our tickets. So it's done. So the original price is around 170 something, but after Fazza it will be 120 something. Yeah, so we are getting discounts.
These are our tickets, let's go. Going towards the first gate and we have got these bands with us. Yeah.
Go inside. How many people?
4. We are currently in the outdoor area and we have not entered inside, and here are some really pretty beautiful turtles and tortoises. I don't know what's the difference between tortoise and turtle. Maybe I will Google it now. And they are having some cute little things. So we have not entered inside yet. We are still in the outdoor area. We are walking towards the main entry, which is going to be indoor. There's a small restaurant here as well. This is the entry of the Green Planet. This place is really huge. So that's a red scarlet macaw, I think. Not really sure. And it is an endangered species. Then we have this cutie pie. Cutie. Oh, we have another one. They're sleepy. This looks more like a reptile encounter. No, it's not. There is something inside. So these are called grey-headed night monkeys, and that's the reason they are in the red light.
नीचे जाने के लिए elevator नहीं लेना है. We can just walk like this and go down.
We have someone who is trying to climb, but I just told him you can't climb it. It's a pipe. You think it can climb? I don't know. Are you listening to me? You can't climb that. Come back. He's gonna fly.
Oh. See?
I just can't. I just hate snakes. I just saw a snake in my dream today and I hate snakes. There are like so many bears. Oh. We have now reached like I think second floor, I think, yeah. No, this is the second floor.
Third.
This is second.
Okay, yes, second.
Okay. Decide, second or third?
Second.
Okay, this is the second floor, and now let's see what we have in here. I was right, this is level 2. Ankita, I was right, this is level 2.
Okay, this is level 2.
And Ankita, she will do anything for photos. वो अभी पानी में बैठ गई है just to take photos. She doesn't care about anything else. This is called Pepo tree. The large tree structure you're standing in isn't artificial, but supports all the plants and animals living in here. Okay. This is an artificial tree, but it does support all the animals here. I think it's like made of cement, but yeah. You can currently see bats, but they are called flying foxes. Also, there are like dwarf crocodiles. I'm gonna show you guys. Discussion with Ankita. She says carnivorous plants do not eat humans. But I've seen a lot of videos in which I have seen carnivorous plants having human hands and human meat as well. That's why they're called carnivores, right? A lot of people are replacing the straws nowadays, even though the taste is not good for paper straws. But still, I think it's better because it takes 200 years to break down the plastic straws. So Ankita is going to try.
Just be there.
This girl is not going to disturb you. So while I was walking, I just met another content creator and he asked me like what are the settings for the Osmo, and I told him I don't really know, this is my first day, and he stopped me hoping that he will learn something from me, but hopefully one day. Hi. Meow. Meow. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
So guys, even their bag is eco-friendly.
अभी हम वेट कर रहे हैं ताकि हम अपना फ़ज़ा इस्तेमाल करके विश्वास कर सकते हैं कि हम अपना फ़ज़ा यूज़ कर सकते हैं और हमें डिस्काउंट मिल सकता है. Let's ask someone what's down, but I see a lot of people coming from down. This is something which I hate and I saw in my dream today.
Which one?
I saw yellow snake in my dream today. Done with like visiting the green planet, and now we are heading to like maybe a nearby Indian restaurant to have something. We did check the cafe here, they had a lot of options, but it's just not our type. Like it is our type, but we are 4 of us, so I think it's better if we have a good Indian lunch. So हाँ, देखते हैं अभी क्या खाने के लिए है. Bye. Rita, do you think I can become a YouTuber?
Easily. 100%.
But I don't think so, and I thought that I'm just doing it for fun.
No, you can become a full-time YouTuber and an influencer.
Reached Amritsar, the Maharaja of Indian cuisine, and they're deciding between Punjab by Amritsar or Amritsar, and I think we're going to go with Amritsar. Let's go. So we're currently in Amritsar. We are currently sitting in Amritsar, and we're just going to check the menu now. क्या मंगाना है? The food is good here, according to you? The waiter is giving me off vibes. So I think we might have to change the restaurant right now. Yeah, I think it's better. We are leaving from this restaurant because the waiter gave us off vibes. I don't know why, but he was behaving really weird. I don't know why. And this is really nice restaurant, but yeah, this is it. So we are again like on the way to search a restaurant, and we have found Pratap's the Dhaba. After coming out from Amritsar, we are in another restaurant right now, and the ambience is really nice. And this is the way we are having fans for us. The food is really good, guys. You all should try it.
Okay, 10 out of 10, 9.5. I'm little strict with numbers.
7.5.
Okay, she is more strict than me. I'll say 9.5 out of 10.
No, this was a 7 or a 7.5 max. But the food was
Good, yeah, it was good.
हमने क्या क्या खाया? Describe everything.
Yeah, so we ate egg masala, she ate prawns masala, and I ate aloo. What was that? Punjabi aloo.
It was good.
It was good for a change.
had
Nice
lachha
food.
paratha.
Yeah, lachha paratha and rumali roti and
And
rice.
currently, what have we ordered?
We have ordered jalebi with rabdi. Jalebi rabdi, yeah. And we'll have tea later. because tea is important. Yeah. Okay, so यहाँ चाय नहीं मिलती है, so I'll reduce 1 point for not giving us chai. So out of 9, I'll give 8 or 8.5.
Very bad reviewer you are. This is rabdi with jalebi. Let's try it and rate how good is this. It looks good though.
So guys, after eating jalebi and rabdi, I have increased the marks by 1 again. So I'll give 9.5 instead of 8.5.
Currently, we are going to check if Zomato is going to work. Zomato Gold, because I think there's like a 10% offer here. Pratap's the Dhaba. Let's check. Excuse me.
The sister took care of your mommy. We both were working.
Zomato पे पेमेंट कर सकते हैं? Zomato पे कर सकते हैं? बिल देना मुझे. So yeah, it is confirmed that we can pay on Zomato. So we have done the payment on Zomato and we have paid 237 right now, and we have got a cashback of like 24 dirhams which we can use on our next dining transaction. I mean, it was quite a good deal. There is no fuzzer here. It was just Zomato Gold.
Okay. Trying Colgate for the first time, guys. So this Colgate is a mouth freshener. So let's see how is it. This is actually good. It's vanilla.
Does your rating change?
No, it remains the same.
What's your rating? then?
9.5 max.
No, which 9 or 9.5 decide?
Okay, 9.5.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And I will just show you guys the restaurant once again. It's Pratap's the Dhaba. Pratap's the Dhaba. And this is how it is. So अभी हम गाड़ी में बैठे हैं और हम जा रहे हैं अबू धाबी वापस घर. Currently, we're having Ankita with us, and she's working in the real estate market actively. And in the upcoming video, she's going to tell us about like which one are the best sellers and how's the current market right now. And maybe she can give us a few insights about it right now. Let's ask her कि market कैसा है. Ankita, market कैसा है?
Market is good right now, and I have few location where in Abu Dhabi you can invest. The best is Yas Island extension. Then we have Masdar and we have Reem Island. So if I tell you which is the best location to buy, so I'll tell you all three. Yeah, why Yas Island? Because Disneyland will be just 15 minutes drive from the location that I'm talking about. What will be the pricing and everything, that we'll discuss in the next video. Stay tuned.
So guys, maybe in the upcoming videos we're going to have Ankita talk about like the real estate market more in details. If you guys are interested, please do subscribe and stay tuned. So अभी मैं जा रही हूँ वॉक पे क्योंकि हम ऑलरेडी अबू धाबी पहुँच चुके हैं. पेरेंट्स को घर छोड़ दिया. अभी मैं और अंकिता.
Yes.
हाय अंकिता.
Hello.
Yes. हम दोनों जा रहे हैं वॉक पे.
ये है फ्लाविया गुप्ता जो अभी वॉक करके वापस जा रही है घर. और उसने
हमारा
मुझे
walk हो गया.
बहुत करवाया.
So अभी हम आ चुके हैं घर and it's finally time to rest. It was a really hectic day, but it was really fun today. The Green Planet is a really nice place to visit, but I would only rate it like around 7.5 out of 10. But if you do not have any pets at home, or if you're not in close contact with any animals, or you do not have anything like a pet which is at home, or you interact with any animals, then you would consider this place a 10 on 10. But since I have a lot of pets and I really interact with animals very often, I would consider this place like a 7 or a 7.5 on 10. So yeah guys, anyways, see you guys on the next vlog tomorrow. Bye, good night, signing off.